Are you tired of guessing whether your SEO efforts are working? Learn how to check your organic traffic in Semrush in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to pull up your organic traffic data, add competitors for context, and understand what it all means. Start by going to your Semrush folders. Click on the first highlight. Then click on the next highlight. Now click on the third highlight. Click on Organic Search to see your organic traffic data. Click on the highlight. Click on Add Competitors to include rival domains for comparison. Finally, click on Analyze to generate the competitive analysis. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.